Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In today's report, we bring you important breaking news from South Sudan, where political tension, security concerns, and fresh violence are once again worrying many citizens inside and outside the country. Today's program will cover six major stories, including the return of a high-profile court case in Juba. And second, we talk about serious accusation against Uganda government. And third, a deadly ambush on local traders. And fourth, we'll talk about a strong statement from government minister. And fifth, we'll talk about the death of a senior opposition officer. And finally, we'll talk about a military warning over Bahr town in Jonglei state. Please, before we proceed with this update, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin our report with the court case against First Vice President Dr. Machar. According to the report this morning in Juba, the court case involving First Vice President Dr. Machar and other members of the SPLA-IO officials resumed again. The case is one of the most talked about trials in South Sudan right now. Many people inside the country and around the world are watching closely. According to court sources, prosecutors are expected to bring more protected witnesses. So far, 6 protected witnesses have already testified during the past week. Well, because of the importance of the case, security around the courthouse is very tight. Army forces were seen guarding the area, and movement around the court has been controlled. Both sides, the prosecution and the defense, are preparing to present key testimonies that could affect the direction of the case. Many South Sudanese are asking, what will this case mean for peace? Will it increase tension or help bring justice? For now, the court proceeding continue and the nation waits. We will update you on this later. Let's move on to the SPLM-IO accuses Uganda of supporting war in South Sudan. Now we turn to a very serious accusation made by the main opposition group, the SPLM-IO, and the First Vice President Dr. Machar. In a statement released on Thursday, the group accused Uganda of sending new troops into South Sudan land. According to the SPLM-IO, a convoy of Uganda People Defense Forces, also known as UPDF, crossed the border through Jonglei earlier that day. The statement was deliberated by Paul Maidang, who is the SPLM-IO spokesperson and also the Minister of Irrigation. He claimed that these Ugandan forces are entering South Sudan to support government military operation, especially in eastern Jonglei state and central Equatoria, according to the statement. The opposition say this support is part of a wider military plan that they describe as targeting one ethnic group in South Sudan. The opposition say this support is part of a wider military plan that they describe as targeting one ethnic. Paul Maidang strongly accused the government of South Sudan, led by Salva Kiir Mayardit in Juba, and Uganda of working together, saying this action violate South Sudan's sovereignty and break the United Nations Army embargo. He called on the UN Security Council to take immediate action against Uganda government. These are heavy accusations, and if proven, they could cause serious regional and international consequences. Let's look at the background of this. To help you understand why this matters, let's look at what happened before. South Sudan has a history of conflict where foreign involvement play a big role. During the 2013 civil war, Uganda sent thousands of troops into South Sudan and provide air support. Well, that intervention helped prevent the collapse of President Salva Kiir Mayardit's government at the time. Although Uganda officially withdrew after the 2015 peace deal, the SPLM-IO has often claimed that Uganda forces never fully left South Sudan. In early 2025, Uganda again sent troops, saying they were only protecting the presidency in Juba, but opposition group and human rights organization accused them of going beyond that role. Now, with fresh fighting report in Jonglei and other areas, these accusations have returned again. Let's move on. Fear of full-scale war return in South Sudan. Well, tension across South Sudan is rising fast. Government troops have been gathering in Bahr town in Jonglei state over the past week. This follows a report that opposition forces took control of Pajut in Duke County and also Panyum in central Equatoria. Recently, the Chief of Defense Forces, General Polnang Majuk, issued a 7-day ultimatum ordering his forces to crush the rebellion or to chase out SPLIO in their controlled areas. This statement has raised fear among civilians that the country may slide back into full-scale war. The United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, has already warned that these troop movements are dangerous and threaten the 2018 peace agreement that was signed by Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Machar. Well, thousands of civilians have already been displaced and many more fear what could come next. Let's move on. Two traders killed in Tony South ambush. Now we turn to a tragic incident that shows how ordinary people are suffering from insecurity in South Sudan. Well, according to this report, in Tony South County, Warab State, 2 local traders were killed and 3 others were critically injured after an ambush. The traders were returning from a market day. They were traveling on a tuk-tuk, carrying goods they had just bought. According to police, unknown gunmen opened fire on them around 4 p.m. The victims were sitting on top of their goods when the attack happened. Police confirmed that 2 people died on the spot. 3 others were rushed for medical treatment in critical condition. So far, no arrests have been made and the attacker escaped. Well, this incident has increased fear among traders and travelers, especially in rural areas where security is weak. Let's move on to another report. Ezekiel Lol Gatkot said President Salva Kiir Mayardit cannot be overthrown. South Sudan new Minister of Public Service and Human Resources Development, Ezekiel Lol Gatkot, has made a strong public statement. He said clearly that no one can overthrow President Salva Kiir Mayardit. This statement was released on January 22nd, 2026 during a time when fighting is increasing in several parts of the country. According to Lol Gatkot, major cities like Juba and Bahr are safe and fully under government control. He said the government is not collapsing and is not going anywhere. In his word, he stressed that government institutions are still working, security forces are present, the state remains strong. This message comes after the SPLIO claimed it had taken control of several areas, including Wat, Uai, Pajut, Narus County, and Panyum in central Equatoria. While earlier officials denied losing territory, Lol Gatkot admitted that there were security challenges in some parts. However, he said those problems are limited and being handled. Lol Gatkot has also sent a message to the public. He wanted people to be careful about what they hear and read on social media. According to him, some individuals, especially those outside the country, are spreading false information that causes fear and panic. And he stated that many people speaking online are far away, but the one affected are ordinary citizens inside South Sudan. Lulgat quote urges South Sudanese to stay calm, trust official information, and avoid rumors. And he added that anyone trying to promote violence or rebellion will fail. The government, he said, remain in control and will protect the country's stability. That is what Lulgat quote said on a circulated video on social media. Let's move on. As PLMIO mourned days of Brigadier General John Takirkai, now we move to a story of loss and mourning. The SPLMIO has announced the death of Brigadier General John Takirkai Gao, a senior military intelligence officer. He passed away on Wednesday, January 21st, 2026, after a short illness. The announcement was made through a condolence message from Oyet Nathaniel Perino, the acting chairman and commander-in-chief of the SPLMIO, in absence of first Vice President Dr. Machar. In the message, the movement said it received the news with deep sorrow. Brigadier General Tanker was described as follows. He was a disciplined officer, a committed freedom fighter, and a man who served the movement both in war and peace. According to the SPLMIO General, Tanker had held several important positions. From 2014 to 2026 or 2014 to 2016, he served as a military intelligence attached at the SPLMIO mission in Sudan. After the signing of the 2010 peace agreement, he was appointed to the Joint Transitional Security Committee, known as JTSC. This committee is responsible for overseeing security arrangement under the peace deal. He served in this role until his death. The movement say his passing is a major loss to his home area of Lair County, to Unity State, and to the SPLMIO as whole. Oyet Nathaniel Perino extended condolences to General Tanker family, friends, and the people of Lair County. He praised General Tanker for serving his community and contributing to peace effort even during difficult time. His death comes when South Sudan is facing delayed in peace implementation, disagreement over security reform, and continued mistrust between parties. No official detail about funeral arrangement were released at the time. Let's move on. SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, won. Bahr will not fall. Now we turn to the latest military development in Jonglei State. The South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, have issued a strong warning to the SPLMIO, saying that Bahr town will not fall. A large number of SSPDF troops have been deployed to Baidit, Payam, and Bahr County. These forces were brought in from different army divisions, including Division 3 from Northern Bahr, Division 5 from Western Bahr, Division 12 from Lake State. The troops are preparing for possible movement toward northern Jonglei, where fighting has recently increased. The Chief of Defense Forces, General Paul Nang Majok, is currently in Jonglei overseeing operations. He addressed the troops after government force lost position in Pajuduk County on January 16th. Speaking to soldiers in Jale area of Baidit Payam, General Paul Nang said he had given the force 7 days to end the rebellion. He ordered them to prepare to move toward Duk County to support security personnel in nearby areas. He also warned against allowing rebel force to advance through Bahr, reminding soldiers of the painful event of the 1991 and 2013. He say such situation must not happen again in 2026. In this report, Paul Nang was criticized by saying 1991 or mentioning 1991 and 2013 civil war, which is something that the SPLA-IO criticized that if really Paul Nang is a nationalist or working for all the South Sudanese, he should not mention 1991 or 2013. They are calling General Paul Nang as a tribalist general or chief of defense forces, where he's using all this information mentioning 1991 and 2013 as a way of mobilizing the Dinka youth to join the fight in Bahr. While soldiers were celebrating the deployment, many civilians are worried. People fear that if fighting could return, more displacement may happen, civilians could be at risk. The government said it is acting to protect the country, but residing are calling for peace and dialogue. Kajo shaling wasme bana right katin kon lat karodian buko right kalare tin kon sharian luanko de kon kalat wasme ka jari pode me bana right katin kon sharian lat ka bukon ga linkel ka do bdan an chiku to ka je re wika South Sudan report nyam balin wasme bala le dana chalat ka ki first by President Dr. Machar and walle ka jen shanga jandang ro dio ka paikel sha luk cha nyom to ka jare wiki juba la first by President Dr. Machar tinken jiko dang baro wacha luk mo chaje to bana mo detail bana ka link ka kor gasen be ko luk me ngai kon diale chane ri cho bakel chakal chicken witness ni ke chika ngai dia ni kana lat ka kwi kore da na chi to ka nasir wangu da more witness tikatin ka prosecution team bana all the detail bana ka link yo ka gwasdan en chi na mo to ka wana ka kuma SPLA-IO shi kan kuma Uganda kan South Sudan shi kan ka gwanyano kan let kan mishora lot wa kuma Uganda ku kan kuma South Sudan ku kan support ka match kan helicopter ka cha min shalke army embargo ne cha jala let kuma United Nation ka jawo shi kan lat gwasa me shol kan United Nation no de kan me de kan investigate do badan en jakan kum Uganda ko ba ka use ke bi ka South Sudan la kum ke yadi bi kan mo ka match ka cha la do tele meti ba ko kum Uganda na me shol ka United Nation no de kan mandan le ro de kan gujeno amu ci Uganda People Defense Force she can army embargo she can violate ka jamo ka jamo cha la de kan gwas me kan SPLA-IO Ramadan la spokesperson Palmai Dang chala do nene tijenetin kon tin la UN and ngu kuyene ma lawo ka kan kon tin paiwe cha la do cha kum Uganda ay la UPDF cha kan en kanumli border mo wa jel kan kamechejit ka we kare we ka South Sudan wa kan tekan ko bikan Eastern Jonglei State bikan mark kan Central Equatoria Western Continent SPLA-IO tikatin kanyo wa charen yalbo chaganen jermangai kon won ku kan kirmiyadi ku kan support kwa United Nation kwa kale tech ku SPLA and wonene kate ko ne chana tan ngum daka ke me chana ya tanyin wonene telekum do dien be interfere Canada country affair ngum ku en Uganda ku yana law ko jemo be kan army embargo be kan a bridge ke be kan ngode cha European no chi Uganda chi South Sudan che mo ka me ke chi South Sudan che be ko me somewhere ke cha ka bulok ngum ku na law ntama ne ga jen 2025 dan be 2026 me chi kana lat anyo ke 2013 kum Uganda bo ne medan cha ga chola kirm yadit ka shugo na tukin kan cha jo na ngum ku yen ka law ko je ano be kan na me be kan use gwan mo na kanatin cha jo me cha je lar ne to contelaji United Nation mo de tel respond mi kan no kum SPLA-IO chika shot several times no mala tan ke baram da log mal e kum kirmi yadi chirmai kona Uganda People Defense Force wa kan chaga ko yo kirmi yadi ke jodana chalat right now am right corner ngai kon diala no ne ka chenge da ne shi korche to gaje me cha paju chaja kaf ka dukanti kum SPLA-IO ka cha panyu ba chaja kaf ka Central Equatoria ka de ti ke largest military barrack military base ka kuma kin yadi kan gwada ti ka tiki tiyan kamach an kap kuma spele ayo ka je jala trade ka kuma kin yadi so ji kin yadi ce tel option da no be no kum Uganda ce mu kin nan tamma ano Uganda people defense force shiga were which ka juba ko buka we bor ka bu ka central equatoria ko bikan operation ma bikan nan uga nyin kan edi konta leji spela go cerma dana gor kana na me chala da kan cerma dana to kwa ji unimis kwala jugo no ne la peace agreement da na cha ta nke 2018 cha je bridge tamma kum Uganda kana mo ngum nonga cikan jo mo cikan lat kuma spela yo jes lo dien longo madana lat ke kum Uganda ko en kum Uganda le la wido dien ngum moy kan kum kim yadin moy kan meja ka kum kim yadit $10,000 of US dollar ke million of US dollar che ka tuk gwan mala ko ga meten ga meste ko ne ka ba ka pa jut kum spela yo ka meti ko ga yo dial ko mbe se mo cha meje ne en wo de jadak ba chwa jadak jerme shaling antam right right ko na kor yatin an wo ngoda we ko me da ro da lat re wi chal ka boro te na chunga tama chana jow do den chan nyom lat ko no gwasme wude chal ke lol gat ko charwach jen pa yakwan la Minister of Public Service ka human resources and development ke human resource development ezekiel gat ko chela do ne na tela rami mo de kum kim yadi de kaf ke taram de bor de kaf ka taram de juba de kaf te joma che jalat jen malat ke kum spela yu en wo bikan woj bikan kaf jen na mo she tok che joma che jalat lol gat ko ka chang ndang ro ka pai kerun kin dang ro wid jendang ro bakel ajen che statement che jamek chala no juba cha bu ka cha bor cha bu ka kor ga me cha wa cha ja kaf ka cha yu cha ja kaf ka cha pa ju cha ja kaf ka cha narus kan cha ja kaf ka cha panyum cha ja kaf ka jen widi ala ko kena to ala business di ro ka military barak ti cha kaf ko ma spele ayo ka sorry ka SSPDF chocolate no cha bor cha de ke kon tam ne dial go ken bor jan we nu ka nu dar shal ka me juba ajen bor te ka ne bor kum kem yadi cha ga kareo Eastern Equatoria kana jan bor ka Jonglei so go dial to ti GSP la yo te ken lo kana wone ne rewe ke juba chocolate no jan cha bor cha de ke ke china bu ku juba che report ma che lat no ana me ko cha je criticize and it country la GSP la yo en go na me a statement mi political ko nyodo janwo shikar ngat bakan ji kuma shir jawran chalat wa kuma spila ayu already ashang man chaji Uganda shaganon kace wurin moik ne di kokien te mi chala no Central Republic of Africa mi chala CAR wa ba shikanon no de kan South Sudan de kan doka match ke de am embargo de bridge kan na mo let kan ga pinyala ji Uganda ji South Sudan kan right ka ban garji Uganda ko kan ngajo ji Uganda cha ngaje no shikan mi chikan nang rai gor kan no tekene connection no guardian so na me mi show the lat mi de kon dia te linkten re wache mene report dia na bana nyoka mu ko en kono gwasme bala kuma spele mayo chikan Lia Brigadier General John Tanker Kai chikan mon ke chikan park kuide an Tanker Kai General John Tanker jenti yeri jen ano ka shanga jandang rekel ka pai keron kindang dang bakel kuma spele ayo jala no jen chala de long re kuma ka spele ayo jana wa disciplined officer ke ramla da pelpinka jana wa committed freedom fighter ka jodana chalat jen chalet re cordial te kare mali and would me alo aramedit mubumbum re kuma ka first vice president ne Dr. Riek Machar wa would me aramedit ke rambumbum cha jomo cha jalat wana ka dor shal ka me bor ka jomo chalat nyok bor teriman ngai kon wa cha de midit cha deploy tin kuma kim yadi wa division 3 from Northern Bahr Chanangtin, division 5 from Western Bahr Chanangtin, division 12 from Lake State Chanangtin. Ala 1,000 of troop Chanang Bor and Obika Bor Bukan Ogang. Again, Metakamana Shaling and Oquala no nene Lulgat Kodano Cha Bor Charge Backup, but Pajurin Charge Cap could take a din medit. A Nyokchi, Chief Defense Force, Gerald Paul Nang Chela a Janice de Nicap, Ladin SSPDF come in Dang Baro Corodian, and began all the territory began reclaim a Kakuma Spila. I can go the Alate Gotacon Chakap, a Kuma Spila, a Janabaka del Cap Candial Cataton, Namia Michela, a Jenny, Nindang Baro Corodian. Badi ni SSPD badi ni SPL ayo dial gone ke dial keep all the place ten chicken ka cap tit ka pajut wa biken ka cap ka joran chelat ke je jen che we dor mishal ke and point the wood shall come ponang take a dorm to wait and door call right in and cheap I do the dorm chale jale ka by dit payam general pol and jomo jalat of course you come as feel I kala malat ka gwata me kane ka che talk te misha mention wood shall come general pol and chawaki 1991 kani 2013 ano shaje bunyok ke rebel bunyo bun ka jan gwasamo je jas pila yo chaka cholo ka rebel man chalo gulung che 1991 lo chol ke che 2013 che lo chol kan reality chagu jino jen a tribalist ke ramemo che gula national ke chele la kwadi ni ne dia la kwar jan ka jo ran chalat ka je kumes pila yo aname report ana chano kumes pila yo am goro de larje anyo kor ja tane la tok dor shal kamo e Jonglei ke konin toten be bantu ngwanung bana keling kata dan len ngwaru din keje je mangai kon no mu kan achi kirim yadi chamal che jenok yu jeno endor shal mo Jonglei state beletere ka ki betere kor tongwan so report me janana guru de ngak kon kel ko din te ka ngach kadin kon lat ko rodien an bana je kala rodien biate kamal bye bye